Days after the youngest survivor of the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre died, the legal team representing the two remaining survivors is shining a light on the pressing nature of a case that's trying to secure justice for Leslie Benningfield Randall and Viola Ford Fletcher. 2 News anchor Sharon Phillips takes a look at why their legal team says time is of the essence.
In light of the death of Hughes Van Ellis, the legal team held a news conference today to talk about the details into the critical legal developments in this case. You may remember Viola Fletcher, Leslie Benningfield Randall, and Hughes Van Ellis sued the city of Tulsa and other entities, claiming they were responsible for the massacre that caused a continued public nuisance. Judge Carolyn Wall said in her order that the defendant's motion to dismiss was granted and the case was dismissed with prejudice, meaning that the case cannot be filed again. However, the Oklahoma Supreme Court agreed to hear the appeal rather than referring the matter to another court. A recent briefing filed with the Oklahoma Supreme Court addresses the request for a reversal of the district court's dismissal of the public nuisance claim and a reversal of the district court's dismissal of unjust enrichment claim.
Called this press conference today.
Attorney Demario Solomon Simmons says with the passing of Hughes Van Ellis, he is reminded of the urgency in securing justice for the final two survivors of the Tulsa Race Massacre.
We're rallying around our last two, 109 years old and 108 years old, and our goal, when we, as always stated, we want them to see justice in their lifetime.
Solomon Simmons says they are now in a race against time, and he hopes the Oklahoma Supreme Court will act swiftly for the remaining survivors, Leslie Benningfield Randall and Viola Fletcher. Attorney Demario Solomon Simmons says the Oklahoma Supreme Court is the final stop in this case. Reporting from Greenwood, I'm Sharon Phillips, 2 News Oklahoma.